What is up, YouTube? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action and the one trade I ended up taking, making roughly $679 on my account. So let's jump right into it. To begin, going into the day, we were kind of just continuing off what we did yesterday on Monday. Monday, we had to fill this huge new week opening gap that we created. The market closed Friday at this price range and opened all the way down here 500 points to the downside, due to the fact that we had more news on the war in Iran. It was not good news regarding trade deals and the it was just a bunch of bullshit that I can't really explain, but it affected the market big time. So we kind of just slowly went up in price throughout all yesterday, filling this gap, and we kind of just continued that today. There was really no draws to the downside, or there actually were, but we just never broke structure on the high time frame, to target those. We kind of just slowly manipulated up and up and up, and sometimes you just got to follow the trend, which is exactly what I did. Just beginning into the trade I took later in the session, I entered this trade at like 11:15, which normally I try and get off the charts at 11, but I had a feeling that we were going to target a draw that I marked out, and we did exactly that. So yeah, let me break it down for you. So heading into this trade, obviously, I had this unfilled 4-hour gap marked out from a while ago. This gap was from, let's see, February 3rd. This is a huge imbalance from February 3rd in price. So I had marked that out because an unfilled high time frame gap is a very, very strong draw on liquidity. So that was my main target to the upside after sweeping out the data highs that we had this morning at 8:30. So yeah, getting into this, we have a bearish SMT. ES failed to take out this low, while NQ did. We also tapped into two different 15-minute gaps and rejected off those beautifully. We had one small one right here, and then this one right down here that I marked out. So we had an SMT at the lows, and then two rejections out of a 15-minute gap. That kind of gave me all the confirmation I needed to enter longs. Now this is a pretty good V-shaped recovery. We had a 5-minute gap get inversed. So I waited for that inversion, stop at the low, break even at the swing high per usual, targeting the unfilled 4-hour gap. I also marked out 1-to-1 due to the fact that ES, the S&P 500, are already tapped into that unfilled 4-hour. So I didn't want to play no games with not getting any profits. So I just marked out 1-to-1, and I shaved off like 3 contracts once we hit 1-to-1, and then I let the other 3 contracts that I entered with just follow through to my actual take profit, and I will show you what this trade looked like. So yeah, it kind of took a little while. I got out of the trade roughly like 30 minutes, 25 minutes after I entered, but all ends well. Yeah, pretty good setup. The only bad part about this trade was that, like I said, that ES already tapped into that 4-hour, so that's why I was kind of weary. But we ended up getting break even pretty early, so it was either make $0 or make a little bit of money. So very, very well executed by me. Very happy with how this went. April has been off to a really, really good start. Haven't lost yet. Gonna knock on wood. That probably means I'm going to blow my account tomorrow. But yeah, we're getting close to a payout. But yeah, overall, this week has gone well to start. This month has gone well to start. Only trade I took today. Did not trade yesterday. And yeah, we'll be back at it again tomorrow. If I take a trade, y'all will be the first people to see it. If not, I will see you the next time I trade. And yeah, I will see y'all.